Hi, in this video we are going to see the faculty recruitment notification from one of the state university, and you may apply from any state all over the India, and there is no examination fee as well as there is no written examination for this one. You can directly go for the interview. And coming to the PhD candidates, they are going to get the 35,000 rupees per month, and with only post graduation also you can apply for these positions, guys. So you will get 30,000 rupees per month. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues after watching this video. Whoever belongs to those subjects, it will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. And if I got the matching recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this faculty recruitment notification from the state university.
Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID.
Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. Coming to the present content of the video, so the university name is Chaudhary Devilal University from Sirsa. So here the walk-in interview is announced for the part-time teachers or else the faculty recruitment notification. So whoever the eligible candidates are there, they are invited for the walk-in interview for engagement as a part-time teachers purely on the stopgap arrangement for the academic session 2021 to 22. So in case the eligible candidates are not available, then the non-NET or the non-PhD candidates also can be considered. And the venue of interview will be University Faculty House. The part-time teachers, in case of PhD and NET holders, will be paid the remuneration at the rate 750 rupees per lecture, subject to maximum of 35,000 rupees per month. And coming to the part-time teachers with the non-NET and the non-PhD candidates shall be paid 750 rupees per lecture. So maximum limit is 30,000 rupees per month. And here the schedule of walk-in interview is also mentioned. And along with that one, you may check down that whatever the different departments are there here. So coming to the department wise, Sanskrit and the specialization or the subjects if any is also mentioned here. So you may check down. And what is the requirement? So at which date the interview is and what is the time of that interview. Okay. So Sanskrit, Hindi, English and foreign languages, and in that one the French and digital journalism. And coming to the chemistry, the specialization is general chemistry and organic chemistry. So physics and mathematics, computer, geography, economics, law. And in the law, the political science is also there. And the bachelor in library science and botany, zoology, food science and technology. And University Center for Outreach Program and Extension. In this one, there is a specialization of human resource management, commerce management and social sciences with good knowledge of the computer. Fine. So the number of vacancies are also mentioned here, and the date and time of the walk-in interview is also mentioned. And the qualification should be same as prescribed for the post of assistant professor by the UGC or state government or university norms. So as per the UGC 2018 regulations, the qualification for the post of assistant professor is master's degree in the particular discipline with 55% of marks, and along with that one the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. And the PhD candidates will be exempted from those national level entrance test. Okay, but in case of a non-availability of the NET or the PhD candidates, then there is a chance of giving the opportunity to the non-NET candidates also. Fine. So here the part-time teachers engaged in the university teaching departments and the university college and the university school for graduate studies will be allotted workload or shifted at any time in UTD or UC or USGS for smooth functioning of the departments. And the number of requirement for the part-time may increase or decrease as per the requirement of the university norms, and the TADA will not be paid for attending the interview. And here the contact number as well as the mail IDs are also provided here. So if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then you may contact this number, or else you may put your one mail to this provided mail ID. Fine. Coming to the next college is the Gargi College, Sirif Fort Road from New Delhi. And here the mail ID and the contact numbers are also provided. So this notification released on 9th November 2021. So it is also regarding the walk-in interview for the ad hoc appointment of the assistant professor. So you may check down the subject is the botany, and the walk-in interview date and time is 18th November 2021 morning 10 o'clock. Under the unreserved category, one vacancy is there. and candidate should have the necessary qualification and eligibility as per the UGC norms. So as per the UGC norms, the same thing as I mentioned to the before notification, that is post graduation in the botany with 55% of marks, and along with that one the candidate must have the UGC NET or CSIR NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. And candidates are advised to bring a copy of resume along with all self-attested necessary documents or certificates and originals for the verification. And your name should be listed in the Delhi University Department ad hoc panel. And the candidates are advised to visit the Gargi College official website regularly to check out the verification of the date as well as the time of interview. Of course, the date and time of interview is mentioned here, but if there is a chance of any modifications, then it is better to visit. Okay. And candidates are advised to report 30 minutes before the schedule of the time of interview, and the TADA will not be provided for the interview. Fine. So these are the two recruitment notifications that I want to show you guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you.
To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course guys for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose? And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common. That means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.